Okay, y'all, let's get into it because TikTok keep deleting my music. But here I am with my curly little wig that I done curled up with my rollers. I'm letting you know, baby, we ain't gonna walk around like that. We gonna untangle them things. I hate a girl that leave her curls together, baby. It's tacky. But anywho, go ahead and untangle well, not untangle them, but spread the curls out, baby. Make the hair bigger, more voluminous, Bigger the hair, smaller the waist. So, I'm continuing to separate the curls so y'all can see how it's done. Even though it's simple, but so y'all can see how it's done. And here I am all done untangling. Get into it. This is what I mean. Body, voluminous. Yes. You see that? Okay. So then I am about to cut and layer so you guys can see how that's done. I usually start, I start in the middle and then just drag it all the way down so that it gives a good layer effect. It won't. Done. You see that? Cute, curly, sassy. Get into the lace. Yeah, she's giving that and that. Okay, and I'm showing you, you can part it on this side, you can part it on that side if you want to. Won't fix that, put that over there. Okay. Look, I get why you left, but I just feel like you. Okay, now I'm showing y'all that y'all can put it up in a half up, half down if y'all like that style. Won't, not a bitch's dress. Get into it. I'm feeling very much Dolly Parton, baby. I work a 9 to 5. Very much, but this dumb blonde ain't nobody's fool. Get into it. Curls, voluminous. Won't. Yeah. Now, y'all, that little piece of hair right there, that little piece of hair just kept falling. It didn't want to sit right. I'm study fighting with you. See what I'm saying? I didn't like it like that, baby. See, I got to pull it back again, fix it. I wanted to say just like that. Just like that, baby.